Hi guys, in IELTS speaking test, when you are using I hate doing something, for example, I hate traveling, can you ensure that it will end up with good result like more score? So you can replace this I hate doing with dread and verb ing form, which is like this. For example, traveling and dancing, eating, like that. So this expression can be used when you want to show you have a strong dislike on doing something and you are hating to doing it. Let's see how we can use that expression in the speaking test. In speaking test part 1, if the examiner asks you, do you enjoy your daily routine? So you can give the answer, not all of it. I dread waking up early because I'm not a morning person. Again, not all of it. I dread waking up early because I'm not a morning person. Alright, in speaking test part 2, when examiner tell you, describe the tasks you dislike doing, you can start to say, I dread cleaning the house because it takes hours and I find it extremely boring. It is something I avoid whenever possible. Alright. In speaking test part 3, if the examiner asks you, why do some people avoid certain tasks? You can say, people often avoid tasks they dread, like public speaking or cleaning, because they find them stressful or unpleasant. Before ending the video, I want to give you some tips for use this. When you want to use dread plus verb ing form, make sure you express strong feelings naturally and always explain why you dread something to expand your answer. For example, in the speaking test, when examiner asks, do you enjoy your daily routine? I said, not all of it. I dread waking up early because, here I am saying the reason, because I am not a morning person. And in the part 2, examiner asks me, describe a task you dislike doing. And in answer, I said, I dread cleaning the house because, here, because it takes hours and find it extremely boring, and so on. Alright, I hope this video helps, and if this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.